Hello guys, welcome to the another video in Python. In this, I am going to discuss about how we can parse the JSON data from the REST APIs. What is mean by REST API? The REST API is a kind of medium to get any data from the web server or to get it or post it, update anything. Using these APIs, we can do these things. Now, I am going to take one public API, this one. It will contains the books details like the ISBN and LCC numbers. For these two books, I will get this data from this API. You can try this API directly from the Chrome and check it what data it is giving. It's basically this particular data. To just show you guys, I just pasted here, but actual data will be from this guy. So using this REST API to get the data from the server, how do we do this in the Python? This is like very important when you are doing any kind of Python automation or anything that you are developing any web application in Python. Most of the times we use this. Okay, how do we do this? For this, we have to import requestful. Okay, in case particular module is not present in your system, you download it like this: Python -m click install request. Once the module got installed, we can define the URL. Okay, it become very long. Let's bring it down and have this backward slash so that it will be treated as one string only. And once we define the URL, let's get the response from this URL. How do we do that? Response equal to requests.get URL. Okay, so what this response will contain is everything like the complete JSON data in the format of the text as well as in JSON. So now first check what is its response status code. Print response.status code and execute this. Yeah, as we can see here that the status code is 200. 200 means success. So let's define here one if case, like the error handling we can call it as the response.status code is equal to 200. Then it is a success, and then we can just parse the JSON data. Okay, output equal to response.json. Okay, now print output and also have else. So if anything other than 200, it is a error case. Let's have a print. Okay, dot format of response.text. Let's see it once again. Yeah, we can see that we got the JSON response from that particular URL. Okay, now from this URL, if you wanted to get the preview of the book, as we can see that the JSON data is like this, like it has keys like key, info URL, preview URL, and thumbnail URL, out of which you wanted to take this particular preview, whether it is a restricted or a borrow, what kind it is. Okay, so for that, since that is a JSON data, now iterate over the JSON data for item in output. What does this item comes? It's like a key. This guy will come. Okay, let's print it and see. So we got the key, the main key of the dictionary or the JSON. Okay, now from this what we can do is so now we have output of item. That means what happens now, we get the JSON data whatever we have, because this is the item of this particular dictionary. It will be all this data. Okay, then iteration it will be all this data. Now we can use this preview key to get the previous value. Okay, now once again execute it and check it. See, we can see that for the first book it is restricted, the next one is borrow. Like this, using any JSON URL, we can get the JSON data and we can parse it and we can get the requested values, and also we can do the status code checking. So there are a lot of other things like URL lib, URL lib2 and lib3, URL open, all these things, but request is the best one to get the any JSON response. It supports the built-in status code, text, response text, and all these things. I suggest to use the request. Okay, if you have any comments or anything that you need to know or any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Okay, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.